Good morning and welcome back to another video on My Style Baits. Today we are above Bonneville Dam. The counts have been amazing, so we figured we'd come up here and check things out. Yesterday we came out here and we went 7 for 12. So we lost a fair amount of fish, but we had a lot of opportunities, so that's so awesome. We're out here today. We've got 5 rods running, and we have 2 Seahawk super baits. We started with all spinners, just switched two Seahawks super baits, and then the rest are like Broncos. I think there might be one Mexican hat on. There's a good bite going on, but we haven't had a bite yet today. There's a person on a fish over there. Alright, Mom's on first fish of the day. It is 7. We've been on here for an hour. This is the Seahawk super bait. And it's here. Yeah. Alright, well, finally got a fish on. So many people are catching fish out here. We were just waiting for our turn. Dad just got fish in the hands. That was pretty cool. Oh, it's the Seahawk super bait again. Wait, no, it's rotten banana.
Rotten banana.
Yeah, you're right. What is it at? Oh boy.
How's it look, Trevor?
Good. Well, I mean, I can't really watch too well, but
Looks big.
big.
Jeez, he does not want to come in.
It's taking off again.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, he's getting it back in. I don't know if we're trolling away from him or what.
They don't really.
That is
I mean,
so
it's in
big.
between, or
If that has eggs, dude, that is
I think it's
balling.
good. I would keep it. It's
All right, that's 1 for the Seahawk and 1 for the rotten banana
Not me.
super
Me.
bait. What is this on this?
I think it's a Bronco.
Oh my gosh, I'm tired actually.
What's the, where were you at? Like 80?
100 and something?
Oh my god!
Jeez, that's a chrome
Holy
big one.
smokers!
Oh my god!
I'll switch it.
Fucking daddy, that thing is big. Holy shit.
Wow. The thing is huge. Oh, it is a Bronco, you're right.
Yeah. Here we go.
Dude, ballin'! That was so awesome. Finally, 1 keeper in the boat. That's 3 for 3 today. Dude, that is thick. At this point in the afternoon, the wind has picked up and it's starting to get a little crazy. We only need 3 more fish. Chad is reeling in what we think is a tangle, but you're about to find out what it actually is.
Fish, Jake.
Okay, sorry you missed that. Hopefully I can catch it on the top camera. It's windy as heck out here. And it's chaos. Well, we got another keeper, dude. And Chad's got
But you got it?
Massive stick on.
Put this on the bow.
What the heck? Jeez,
What chaos, you guys. What fun chaos. This is great.
Oh man.
holy cow.
Dude. Oh my gosh, it's nice.
I'm sorry you guys probably can't hear. Turn wheels.
Be a hero.
Nice! Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
What a whirlwind, literally.
It's a keep, isn't it? Yeah. Like one. It was easy to get the hooks out, so I just did that.
Holy cow, Bronco again.
It's really bright.
It is?
Yeah, it's a hatchery.
Combo wheel right there, baby.
You like that bright one right there?
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Good job, Trevor. It's a hatchery.
All right. Last fish of the day. Last fish. Last
All right.
fish. Last fish.
Trevor, let's up. Let's do it. Good job, Chad.
Yes. Let's go. Wow. Look at
She's
that
a beauty.
sucker. Nice.
Okay, well that, hopefully you can hear me, but that wraps up today's video. I lost track of how many fish we hooked and caught today, well, we caught 5, obviously we killed 5, but we let a couple go and then we lost a lot of fish today. So overall it was a really, really good day. It is, who's that? I got blown away. It was a really good day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe because it helps me a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Mm-hmm.